Hi, my name is John Amira. I wanted to talk to you today about making a business contract. A business contract, there are a couple different ways to do it depending on the complexity of the contract. A simple verbal contract where you and a partner or you and a customer agree upon something can be a binding contract. A written document is a much better way to develop a contract. To list out and document what you are going to provide for your service, for your business. What you two agree on doing for each other for the amount of money or for whatever be the stipulation. Developing a contract is probably best to get an attorney involved in it. There are a couple different contracts you can buy online. General contracts would work fine for a simple process. If it's for a money transaction, if it's for a business deal, it's for anything more complicated than that, I think I would have it specified by an attorney to make sure it is binding, to make sure it is legal, and keep you out of trouble later if a problem happens. A good contract needs to be looked at by an attorney to make sure it is binding. If you need any more information on this subject or any other subject in the business field, my email address is jniemira@gmail.com.